Repeat after me. I promise
I promise
to love my Cabbage Patch Kid
to love my Cabbage Patch Kid
with all my heart.
with all my heart.
I promise to be good
I promise to be good
and kind parent.
and kind parent.
I will always remember
I will always remember
how special
how special.
my Cabbage Patch Kid is to me.
I don't know how to say that.
Say, my Cabbage Patch Kid
My Cabbage Patch Kid
is to me.
is to me.
Thank you very much. You have officially adopted Madeline Saylor.
Let's see your baby.
Smile for the camera.
Here,
Show,
come over
show your
here.
baby.
Let's see the baby.
Show your
She's
baby.
beautiful, Jocelyn.
Yeah.
Congratulations.